So we're getting ready to tour a Category E stateroom on board an Avalon suite ship. The E's and the D's are their lower rooms, so these are the ones that are on the bottom deck. Okay? So if you'd follow me in here, you can see the climate control on the right, and then we'll move all the way to the back of the stateroom. Okay? So what you'll see is two windows. So right now we actually have a wall behind us, just where we're docked, but normally you would see the river just below it. So I always call this the Swan View because every morning when I would wake up on my last cruise in this very room, you would see the swans just outside there. So as you look at the room, you've got two night tables. If you separate the beds and you wanted two single beds, then the night tables would move to the middle, but there's good storage in both. Of course, you have your phone, and then the ability to turn down the announcements. That's right by the bed. Okay? And as we move further in, you've got a mini bar. It's fully stocked. You've got beer, wine, soda, hard alcohol, and some juices. Of course, the ice bucket, you can get ice daily, and then your water. You always get unlimited complimentary bottled water on board any river cruise ship. Okay? There's a little more storage here, okay, underneath. I love the huge vanity. When I was on board here, I was working just about every day, so this was a perfect workstation for me. And then there's even more storage underneath here on the side. The flat screen TV that is standard on board. Okay, and then as we move in, we've got a large closet. So this is, of course, where you're going to hang up everything. Okay, you can ask for more. You can ask for more hangers as well, but they're usually plenty stocked. There's more storage up top. And then as we move back into here, what you'll see is you've got the safe, a small mirror. You've got your robes down below, but mostly this is storage. Okay? So a ton of storage for a lower room. Okay, and then now we're going to move into the bathroom. So as with all rooms on board an Avalon suite ship, they have the upgraded L'Occitane amenities. I love them. They're really fantastic. One of the other fun things with Avalon is they have the two colored towels. It took me a minute to figure it out, but basically his or hers or whoever you're sharing your room with, you can each have your own distinct towel. Okay? And then as you move in further, of course, there's a toilet, and then you have a stand-up shower, which one thing I love, I'm 6'6", and it's actually tall enough for me. So that's a huge advantage for me personally. But for a smaller room, I think this is a phenomenal amount of space, and I think it's a really good option for you on board an Avalon suite ship. So once again, you've been touring a Category E stateroom on board an Avalon suite ship. The E's and the D's are exactly the same. The only difference is the D's are a little more midship than the E's. This is the perfect entry-level stateroom for a river cruise. In fact, I think it's the best entry-level stateroom of all the river cruise lines.